Welcome back to Schools Challenge 2022. It's the second match in round one and the scores are DeCarteret College on 8, Holy Childhood High on 18. Let's get into the buzzer challenge. Teams must press the buzzer, wait to be identified before giving their answer. 2 points will be added for correct answers, but teams will lose 2 points if the answer is incorrect. Teams, it's time to get up with your quick fingers, quick thinking, and some fast answers, which could put you one step closer to winning the championship. Let's have 4 minutes on the clock, please. As we begin with Bible knowledge. Which psalm ends with these words? Wait on the Lord, be of good courage, and he shall strengthen thine heart. Wait, I say, on the Lord. Psalms 27. Biology, to which phylum do sponges belong? Holy Childhood.
Porifera.
Porifera.
Correct. English language, does the word fastidious mean quick, meticulous, or idle? Meticulous. International affairs, look at the clip, identify this person, please. Holy Childhood.
Kamala Harris. Kamala Harris.
Yes, US Vice President. Chemistry, what is the chemical formula for nitrous acid? DeCarteret.
NO2.
NO2.
Incorrect. HNO2. Music, listen to the clip, identify the artist whose voice is heard. Holy Childhood.
Paul. Sean Paul.
Correct, and please wait to be acknowledged before you give an answer. General knowledge, to the nearest 100 miles, how long is the Himalayas mountain range? 1,500 miles. In Spanish, how do you say Happy New Year in Spanish? DeCarteret.
Feliz Año Nuevo.
Feliz Año Nuevo.
Correct. Geography. The Annandale Falls is a special attraction in which Caribbean country? Grenada. Theatre and cinema. Look at the following clip. Identify this actress. DeCarteret.
Meryl Streep.
Meryl Streep.
Correct. Information technology. On the Facebook app, what is the name of the personalized box you create to share your Facebook profile, photos, or page on other websites?
Yes.
Badge. History. Her Majesty Queen Elizabeth II visited Jamaica and dined in darkness at King's House because of a power outage. Give the year of this event. Holy Childhood.
1963. 1963.
Incorrect. 2002. Mathematics. What is the median average of 135, 97, 133, and 102? 101, I beg your pardon. That'll be 117. Physics. What is the SI unit of viscosity? Holy Childhood.
Centimeter cube. Centimeter cube.
Incorrect. Kilograms per meter per second. Sports. Look at the monitor. Identify this person. DeCarteret.
Muhammad Ali.
Muhammad Ali.
That's correct. Jamaican heritage. 2 Jamaicans were declared national heroes in 1975. One was the Right Excellent Holy Childhood.
Sam Sharp. Sam Sharp.
Incorrect. One was the Right Excellent Samuel Sharp, who was the other? And the other was the Right Excellent Nanny of the Maroons. French. What does the verb rappeler mean? Rappeler. To call or to remind. Literature which Jamaican author wrote under the name Eli Edwards. Claude McKay. Art. Which Jamaican artist painted the work of the Counting Lesson? Albert Huey. And I believe that's the final bell. That's the end of the final challenge and the end of our match. The scores at this time are DeCarteret on 12 and Holy Childhood on 18. We'll double check those scores and return with the final results right after these messages.